Hi everybody, welcome to Life's Lessons with Vanessa. My van is over there. I just went on a little walk through all of those bushes, went around, and I just went on a little walk to show y'all a little bit of the scenery that I'm doing. And I found this little rock. I don't know if y'all could see the shininess of it. I don't know if y'all can see that. But it really has a lot of little sparkle in it, like it has some silver in it. So I think that's so pretty. I'm gonna keep that. And you can just look around and that much can't tell what you'll find on the road. It's so pretty. But I just went for a little walk. It's kind of windy, a little chilly. It's not cold, but the sun is out a little bit. And y'all make sure y'all stay tuned to both channels, Vanessa's Van Life Journey and this channel. I'm going to be posting like little short vlogs on this channel, probably no more than 8 minutes long, just showing y'all little things, what I'm up to. Like I'll show y'all a variety of the things that I'm up to on the other channel, but like I'll probably show like in detail more of what I'm doing throughout the day on this channel, because I'm going to start doing weekly vlogs on that channel, but I could start doing little small daily vlogs over here, just showing y'all what I'm up to. So I actually just got out the van for the first time today, and yeah, I just got out the van for the first. I've been in the van editing videos. I've been in the van editing videos all day, and it's 2 p.m. I haven't had anything to eat, so I just got out the van today, and one of my neighbors, she said she had some crackers, but I didn't take them from her yesterday, and she's actually gone now. I would like to have some crackers with my sardines. I think my friend was telling me about somewhere around here to go looking for some rocks or some crystals or something. So I will be taking you guys on some more adventures, and stay tuned to the other channel, Vanessa's Van Life Journey, to find out exactly where I'm at and what I'm doing and where I'm headed to next, because I really don't know where I'm gonna go to next. But like I was saying, that's one thing about van life. You are free to just let the wind take you wherever it wants to take you. So it's all about where you feel like going. And I don't know where I'm gonna go. I don't know where I'm gonna go. I don't know where I'm gonna go. Y'all, what are these kind of trees? They don't have these kind of trees. I've never seen these kind of trees in Quartzsite. Y'all let me know the name of these kind of trees. And if there's anywhere that you guys would like to see me go and visit in Arizona, in California. I'm pretty much in the Arizona, California vicinity. Yeah, I don't know what these kind of trees are. They have some cute little greenery on it, but baby, they got some, I don't know if y'all can see that. That is a thick prong, and they are very, they protecting themselves. But they are so cute, I like them. I don't know what kind of tree this is, so if anybody knows, leave it in the comments and let me know. And it's amazing how we're in a desert and it's dry land and you see flowers blooming up. I've seen a lot of patches of flowers blooming up. This is some kind of cactus. Oh my goodness, look at the sticky things in there. That's a whole cacti right there, baby. And then we got rocks. What if I turn these rocks over and I see a scorpion? I want to see a scorpion in person, but I want to see it on my own terms. My own terms. So y'all, I just came for a little walk, getting out of the van, and that's one thing about camping on BLM Land is you could definitely get out in nature, get some fresh air, go walking and exercising. And I need to pull out my mat, but I need another mat for exercise. And I think I got rid of my other mat, or it might be in the shed. See, this is where some ATVs would ride it, or maybe it's a road where you drive it and you come, and the people that camped back here. See, it's a lot of land all around where people could disperse camp and you don't have to be on top of each other. All the people that I am camped with, we are not on top of each other. We've given a lot of room in between our vehicles, so nobody is on top of each other. But if you're camping together and you want to be on top of people, then if you know you have families, friends, and children and grandchildren, and y'all want to be on top of each other, you can. But if you don't want to be on top of each other, you don't have to. So pretty much everybody in the campsite where I'm at, they're not parked close to each other. And as you can see, there is plenty room where everybody can come and park wherever they want to. I am parked all the way over there. So I walked in that direction first, and now I'm walking in this direction. Just walking, talking to y'all, showing y'all what I'm doing. So that's what I'm going to start doing on this channel again. I was posting my little daily van life vlogs over here before, and that's what I'll start doing. I was posting my like mukbangs over here and just haul videos, just whatever I decide to do. And I'm going to show a little bit of it on the other channel in the weekly vlogs. But if I want to show that whole task, like if I go to the lake and I just want to show you me spending the whole day at the lake, then I'll post those videos over here. So y'all make sure y'all stay subscribed to the channel. I'm boondocking on BLM Land. I'm in California, and California borders, like when you're in Parker, you could just drive 5 miles and you're in California. So California borders Arizona in all different directions. So it don't take much to end up in California. So, but if it's any place that y'all want me to show y'all that, or y'all want me to visit in California or Arizona while I'm in this vicinity, let me know. And if any of y'all have BLM land, have a homestead in California or Arizona, and you'd like me to visit your homestead, if you'd like me to feature your homestead on my channel, if you have a van or an RV or a tiny home that you'd like for me to feature on my channel, just DM me on Instagram at Vanessa's Van Life Journey, or you could shoot me an email. I really prefer you DMing me on Instagram at Vanessa's Van Life Journey. That way I can end up doing a FaceTime with you and we could like talk face to face. So anywho, I'm gonna end this little short vlog. I'm gonna make my way back to my van and finish editing and eating. So I will see y'all later. Alligator, after a while, crocodile, and thank y'all for joining me. Bye.